Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install NetBeans. First, go to your browser and type in the search bar NetBeans. Your first option will be NetBeans IDE download. This is the correct one. When the page comes up, you have a variety of different downloads to select. You may choose either this one or this one. It doesn't really matter which. I currently use this one because it takes up less space. Click download and wait for it to finish. When it has finished, you'll get a file like this. Double click on the file. It may ask you for administration access. Click yes. I accept. Next. You may choose your destination. I think I'll leave it as is. Check for updates and install. When the installation is finished, it will show you this message. I always uncheck this box because I find it unnecessary. Then click finish. Once it is complete, you will now have this icon on your desktop. This is NetBeans. Double click to open. It may take a while the first time, but that's just it setting up. It may be faster the next time you open it. Here's your program. Finished and installed. Now, for this part, I'm going to show you a little something extra. Turn off the start page. It is another unnecessary feature. I'm not going to show you where everything is at the moment, but I will show you an extra add-on which I find very useful when recording and programming. Go to available plugins and type in dark. At the very top you'll find dark look and feel themes. I prefer using this because it adds a new sort of skin to the NetBeans IDE, which I find better to look at than the stark white of the screen. Simple installation again. Click next, click I accept and click install. It shouldn't take too long. It'll ask you to restart, click finish. And there we go. As you can tell already, it is a completely different look to it. Everything is where it was before, but you notice that the color is now much easier on the eyes. In the next video, I'll show you how to create projects in NetBeans as well as your first line of code.